Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This question tells us to calculate the magnitude of the resultant of a pair of 50 km/h velocity vectors at right angles to each other. So let's draw it out. We have one vector, right, 50 km/h, and then at a right angle, we have another vector. And these two are equal in magnitude since they're both 50 km/h. So basically, we want to add these two vectors. So how do we go about doing that? First, to add vectors, we want to put the tail of one at the head of the other. So we move this over here. And now the vector that we're looking for is this component right here. So we use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's say this is A, and this is B, and this is C. So we know that A squared plus B squared is going to be equal to C squared. So that means that 50 squared times 2, right, because they're both vectors have the same magnitude that are at right angles, is equal to the total magnitude, or whatever, we'll just call it C, squared. So what is 50 times 50? 50 times 50 is 2,500. Times 2 is going to be equal to 5,000. So 5,000 is equal to the magnitude squared. So now we need to find the square root of 5,000. And that is going to be 70.7106. And I'll write that down right over here. So 70.106. And that is the resultant of a pair of two 50 km/h vectors at right angles to each other.